Hi everyone, welcome to AZ Networks. So I know so many of you may be having this problem. So when you try to add the Juniper EX switches to your EVNG labs and it's not running. So I've been trying to figure out this for a while and having this issue. Finally, I got figured out on how to make it work. So I have the EVNG like a pro version, which is the paid version, but I'm sure that will be working on the community version as well. So I'm not going through how to add the switch because there is a like a pretty like a decent guide right here, so can go through it. So all that's what you need right here. So to bring the EX switch version to your EV lab, so just go through it, and all you need is one thing to do is while you are adding the so right here I have like a VX running and working totally fine as you see right here. Um, it's totally fine. So all I did was while you're adding the object, when you add the VEX switch, so all you have to do is like I have as you see right here on my EV lab, I have a pretty good amount of RAM and CPU, but so I have 64 gigabyte RAM just for this EV because I'm running a lot of labs on this machine. So make sure you have enough RAM and processor on this machine while you're running the EV because it's gonna take a lot of resources. And right here, while you're adding the VX, all you have to change your CPU to 4 and change your RAM based on what's written right here. The VRAM you need is 8192. Change this one to 8192. Ethernet, it supports 11 port by default. And right here, by default, it say the TPL, the QMO version is a TPL. Change this one back to 520 and change this one to 86 by 64 and change this one to the VersioNet PCI. So when you do that, so that's the only way I was able to really run um, like a my VX, and I could. That's the only way that I could make it work, and I hope that will work for all of you guys as well. And I know this is a short video, so I hope that every one of you that having this issue can be solved it with this way. Thank you so much, guys. Please give us a like if you like the video. Thank you.